Why? Why is it so difficult to talk about mental health openly without being judged? Why do we still lower our voices when we talk about mental health? My name is Rishabh Shah, and today I will be talking on one of the most important topics one can cover for the betterment of the society. According to the World Health Organization, 268 million people suffer globally from depression or mental or neurological issues. Yes, I don't want to call it a disorder because it just sounds bad. But wait, there's more. In 2015, the total number of depression was estimated to reach 300 million, which is equivalent to 4.5% of the world's population. And this happens majorly between the age of 15 to 29. So what actually is going on? Let me ask you a question. Do you know what depression is, or even what mental illness means? I will do it for you in one line. According to Google, it is a condition which causes serious issues in a person's behavior or thinking. This can range from anxiety to depression. It hampers your brain to such an extent that you can't even imagine. And you know what's the worst part? People still think that nothing of these sorts exist. It's just something that we make up in our mind, and that needs to stop. Let me clear that myth out as well. If you don't believe me, at least you will believe the World Health Organization, right? WHO states that mental issues comprise a broad range of symptoms, and this can be determined by the relationship a person has with others, or his friends, or his family, or his peers. Do you guys whisper when your ankle gets twisted or when your hand gets fractured? No. Let me tell you what you do. You go to social media and you post about it because you think it's cool. But what about people who don't have any physical issues but have mental issues? Do you know how they are treated? Mad, freak. How can you even think like that? Bro, you were smiling yesterday. It's just in your head, man. Just go out, it'll be fine. Sad filter, right? Can I suggest one of the most simplest solution to this biggest problem? Listen. There is a famous quote by Epictetus which happens to be one of my favorite quotes. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that you listen twice as much as you speak. Now, because I am talking all of this does not mean that I am depressed or I am going through anything. I am simply making this video just to create awareness. I honestly don't care how many views or likes this video gets. My main motive to make this video is to spread as much awareness as possible about this important issue. Even if only 2 people are listening to this, I want those 2 people to know about how you can help others. The best way to help others is by simply listening to them without judging them. After talking to a lot of people about this journey and understanding their mind, do you know what one thing they're most afraid of? They're afraid of being judged by the society as to what will happen to them after they speak up. For those people, I just want to let you know, you guys are absolutely normal. It's okay. You're one of us. We still love you with all of our heart. No one in this world has the right to judge you. After my research and my personal experience, I just want to share a little secret with you. I have realized that in your life, you only need 2 to 3 people whom you can blindly trust on, whom you can call out anytime you want, and you can just vent out your feelings. You can tell them whatever you want, be it abused, share your personal experiences, how your day went, how's your life going, how was your month, how was your year, any of that sort. Basically, you just need people who won't judge you, and that makes a huge difference. If you have those kind of people in your life, great. But for all of those people who don't, try to build meaningful relationships in your life. That will help you. I have made a simple list of do's and don'ts with the people that are going through this difficult journey. It's very simple to understand. The list of don'ts: don't backpitch, it breaks their trust. Don't lie to them on their face. Don't be, yeah man, this happens with everyone. Don't call them attention seeking. Don't compare them to other people, and don't judge. The things that you should do with people: the first and the most important one, listen. The second point, listen to understand. Try to make them laugh as much as possible. Love them. And the last one, just be around them while they're trying to achieve their mental peace. Till now, in my previous videos, I've never asked any one of you to share my videos, but in this video I'm personally asking you to share this video as much as possible so that more and more people are aware about this, so that more and more people understand the importance of helping people. How difficult is it for us to be kind? How difficult is it for us to be understanding to these people? Just simply be there. It's not that difficult. If you did like this type of content, please hit the like and subscribe button below and show some support. Peace out.